Hello, my name's Susan Ridge. I'm a Major General in the British Army and I am the Director of Army Legal Services in the British Army. I'd like to talk now about weapon reviews because they have a role, and a key role, when looking at any weapon system, and that would include lethal autonomous weapon systems, as a gatekeeper to prevent systems which do not comply with the existing law from being deployed on the battlefield. Article 36 requires states to determine whether a new weapon, and that would include a lethal autonomous weapon system, or any new means or methods of warfare, may be employed lawfully under international law. A weapon review is a comprehensive evaluation, both technical and practical, of the lawfulness of a weapon and its use. It also allows a state to consider how predictably a weapon system responds in complex and changing environments. And that is probably very important when considering new developments in respect of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems generally. From a military perspective, it is vital to be able to predict a weapon's behaviour or understand the extent to which it is unpredictable. Now, Article 36, weapon reviews, allow predictability, precision and reliability to be considered. And that's part of any weapon review conducted for all weapons entering service in the UK. And that's a practice that the UK thinks is wholly appropriate to deal with evolving technologies in warfare. The UK takes this review process very seriously and has published its weapons review procedures online, which sets out how the UK fulfills its Article 36 obligations, and has hosted a number of international weapon review forums at our Defence Concepts and Doctrine Centre, located in the UK's Defence Academy, and is very keen to encourage other nations and states to undertake such weapon reviews. The UK believes that lethal autonomous weapon systems, if they existed, would be subject to the same rigorous accountability processes for all other weapons. And accountability can be built into the life cycle of a weapon system, from concept to initial development, through the assessment of legal use and acceptance into use, and ultimately the decision to employ a system operationally. This is written into the technical standards governing their development, to their assessment through the medium of Article 36 legal weapon reviews and rigorous field testing procedures. Once deployed, accountability is vested in the trained operators who employ the system and in the decisions taken by commanders at every level of a campaign and the specialists who advise them. Responsibility is discharged through the military chain of command, and accountability measures are set out clearly in the orders, directives and standard operating procedures that are enforced by all responsible militaries engaged in the conduct of operations. Ultimately, if a decision has been taken to field any capability, there should be an auditable trail of the decision makers and a record of their assessments on the suitability of a system for use in a specific theatre or phase of operations. The potential impact of any future lethal autonomous weapons system require that the issue is dealt with accurately and sustainably. The UK does not support a pre-emptive ban on lethal autonomous weapon systems. It does support, though, the current process within the CCW and the Group of Governmental Experts work, which is currently under the leadership of its Indian chairman, which brings together diplomatic and military experts alongside technical experts and specialists from academia and civil society to discuss emerging technologies in the area. This diverse gathering is critical to ensuring that the international community can consider a varied range of viewpoints so that states can work together to build a common understanding and formulate a mutually acceptable approach to this important subject. In conclusion, we've seen continuous developments in automation in military systems worldwide. While the degree of automation has increased, such systems still have human operators defining operating parameters, initiating and controlling systems, and exercising responsibility for outcomes. Warfare is complex and will always demand a combination of humans and machines for any military organisation to be effective, and whatever the environmental complexity that the system operates within, a minimum level of human control is always required to fulfil the principles of international humanitarian law. The technology will continue to change rapidly, but this minimum level of control will not. Therefore, understanding this is the key to advancing the lethal autonomous weapon system debate.